Hey there! Welcome to our channel! If you're a frequent traveler, you've probably heard of Global Entry. Global Entry is a program offered by the US Customs and Border Protection Agency that allows pre-approved, low-risk travelers to expedite their entry into the United States. Today, we're going to take a look at the benefits of Global Entry and why you should consider signing up. Expedited entry. One of the biggest benefits of Global Entry is expedited entry into the United States. When you arrive at a participating airport, you can skip the long lines and go straight to a kiosk. You scan your passport, provide your fingerprints, and answer a few questions. Once you're cleared, you can head straight to baggage claim or customs. TSA PreCheck. Another benefit of Global Entry is that it includes TSA PreCheck. TSA PreCheck is a program that allows pre-approved travelers to go through a separate, expedited security screening process at participating airports. This means you can keep your shoes on, leave your laptop in your bag, and avoid some of the other hassles of airport security. International travel. Global Entry is also useful for international travel. If you're a US citizen or permanent resident, you can use Global Entry when you return to the United States from abroad. And if you're a citizen of a participating country, you can use Global Entry when you enter the United States. Time savings. By using Global Entry, you can save a significant amount of time. You won't have to wait in long lines at customs, and you can skip the security lines at participating airports. This can save you hours of time on each trip. Reduce stress. Traveling can be stressful, but Global Entry can help to reduce that stress. By avoiding long lines and expedited security screenings, you'll have a smoother, more relaxed travel experience. Cost-effective. Global Entry is a cost-effective option for frequent travelers. The application fee is $100, and the membership is valid for 5 years. When you consider the time and stress savings, it's a worthwhile investment. Pre-approval. Another benefit of Global Entry is that you'll be pre-approved for the program. This means that you've undergone a background check and have been deemed a low-risk traveler. You'll be able to skip the lengthy customs screening process, which can be a relief for many travelers. Priority access. Global Entry also provides priority access to some of the top travel rewards programs, such as the Global Entry and TSA PreCheck programs. This can help you save money and time on future trips. And that's it for today's video. We hope you learned about the benefits of Global Entry and why it's worth considering for your next trip. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great travel content.